Good morning. We are joining you today to do a really fun at-home science demo. I'm Becky, one of the science educators at the museum, and this is my science helper, MJ. And we are really excited to show you a project that we've been demonstrating the progress off and on, which is our grasshead Geraldine. And then we added
She needs a haircut.
Geraldine definitely needs a haircut. And we added Harold to kind of get another one started. And we thought we've had so much fun with these that we thought we would
do it again.
We decided we'd do it again and show it to you. So we're going to walk through the supplies that you need for our grass head. But didn't we have a little surprise before we did that?
Yes.
What?
We had a joke.
We had a joke. So we're gonna tell our joke. Okay.
What do you call a cow that helps mow the grass?
What do you call a cow that helps cut the grass? What is it?
I forget.
It is a lawn mower.
Oh, right.
Lawn mower.
I remember the first part of the joke, but I forgot the second.
That's okay. I love that joke. So we just had to share that one.
Me too.
All right. So what
we
do, we have a wacky sense of humor, but that makes us fun. All right. What you need for your grass head is you need a pair of old tights. So this is one of my tights, winter tights, that had a hole in it. So
in the other one.
In the other leg. So I cut the good leg off. Or you can use, inexpensive, like the knee-high kind, but any sort of old tights. And this is a great opportunity to use up the ones that have holes in them or the kids have outgrown and not going to be good next fall. So pair of old tights.
And you also need some dirt, specifically potting soil, grass seed, a mug. Now you don't need any of that, but we're using it because it's easier.
Yeah.
You need a cup of, like a little jar of water. You need a little googly eyes.
So these are decorations that we're using. This is optional. You don't have to have the googly eyes, but you can use glue anything on it. We'll talk about that.
And if you do want to glue anything on, like the googly eyes, you need tacky glue.
Yeah, so we recommend something like tacky glue or hot glue. Something washable glue doesn't work real well because as this will get wet, the glue will dissolve. So something like a craft glue or a hot glue. So we ready to get started?
Yep.
All right. So the first thing you need to do is take this piece of tight.
And I think we need to cut that down.
We need to cut this down, and we're going to cut it
off the leg.
Yeah. So we cut it so we need about 6-8 inches.
Is that good?
That looks great. And we're going to get rid of the old piece, and we should say we cut it so that we have the toe part left. And then we're going to stretch it over. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Over the cup. And that's the purpose of the cup, is so you have a place to hold it while you dump things in.
And then
no, you grass seed first.
I know. I'm just putting this.
Oh, you're putting it in. Okay.
Anyway, you put 2 teaspoons of
2 teaspoons. Yep.
And
what we're adding is 2 teaspoons of grass seed, and this is just,
just to make the grass.
Yeah, grass seed. All right.
Because your grass heads definitely need.
Yes.
So yeah.
And now you need.
I don't know.
That's okay.
Fun, but you need 3 of those. I don't remember what they are.
So you need at least a half cup of soil in your grass head. Now the bigger your piece of tight, the more you can put in there. Also, if you have a wider mouth jar like the one I have here, go with more of a cup of soil. These little tiny jars I used a half cup. So we're going to put a whole cup of soil in there. All right.
Okay. So
and actually, can you kind of pack it down in there? Kind of poke it in there?
Okay.
All right. So now
what you do is you take this up. Oh, that's kind of weird. Okay.
Yep. So
and you just shake it down so it gets to the bottom.
And you can shake it, you can push it. Mm-hmm. So you want to make sure you get everything down into the toe.
And then you tie it.
Yep. So then what we're going to do is tie a knot. And we have some pictures of close up of what we're doing. So you want to make sure that you leave yourself a tail. The tail is really important because it goes down in the water and is what helps to self-water your grass head.
And then you put your little grass head. I don't know if this one will actually work because it's kind of thick.
No, it'll still work.
Okay. But what you do is you place the tail Or at least the
There you go. And one thing,
we got the table.
that's okay. It's okay if you get a little wet. One thing that we, a tip is that before you put it in your jar, you can actually dunk it in a bowl of water to pre-soak the bottom of your soil and also your tail. That gives you a jump start on the watering process. So then,
you want to put like the little ice in
yeah. So now that you've got it ready to go, so
I'll use the glue.
you pick out the eyes you want. I'll move Geraldine here.
I'll use the glue if you
Okay. Actually, why don't we put the glue on the eyes here? So we're using some tacky glue.
That's good.
That looks good. And we'll put the eyes there.
Because
I like those big eyes.
My art teacher told me we don't need too much glue.
I think your art teacher is very smart.
Yes, she is.
Okay. So there we go. So now what we need to do is just place our grass head in a sunny window.
And then it will self-water it. Like Geraldine. I mean,
yes.
Yeah, Geraldine.
Yeah.
Is like
so this is Geraldine. I started Geraldine, at least 6 weeks ago, I think.
Still needs a haircut.
Yeah. So what's really fun is that
he has like a mohawk.
Yeah. So what's really fun is that once it starts to grow, you can just take a pair of scissors and you can make any sort of haircut you want. They're really fun to do that. And then this is Harold. We started Harold.
He's a baby.
And just has a tiny little sprout. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but tiny little sprout. So these are just really fun. You can keep growing. You are welcome to add more. Yeah, I know. You can add noses and mouths. We just like the googly eyes. So this is really fun. You can make a whole family of them. We joke that they've been keeping Spike company. So we hope that you've had a lot of fun, and we look forward to seeing your grass heads as they grow. So share your pictures, and love to see the fun creations that you all create. So
I want to do it again.
Well, how about we say goodbye, and then we'll make another grass head for our family. Sound good? All right. We all hope you guys have fun, and keep following the museum on Facebook, Instagram, and check out our website, childrensmuseum.org/museum and home. And we hope you have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.